an illustrious legend, Professor M.R. Kumbar. It is said we need to take a step back, ponder, and then we realize how fortunate we are. This is my feeling as we ponder and celebrate the life of Professor M.R. Kumbar. What a privilege it is to experience the warmth of Professor M.R. Kumbar, and may I say we are the fortunate ones. I have known Sir for more than 3 decades. He was a man of infinite finest qualities. However, at this moment I wish to state his outstanding 3 qualities: empathy, ethics, and excellence. These qualities resonate with his entity. A complete personality in his field, he was, and I admired his growth as a prominent teacher, profound researcher, and able administrator. It is quite different to be a master of all these 3 academic professional traits, but it is a God-given gift to people like Professor Kumbar. As his student during postgraduate degree days while studying BLBSc, the bond was not yet formed. Whereas during my master's, that is MLBSc, the bond grew and I treasure that I became his strong disciple. A class, a small in number of students, was another fortune in disguise. Less the number of students, more was the interaction with Professor Kumbar. We must say we are lucky. His way of teaching impressed me enormously. I certainly say that he made me accept the position of visiting professor and university librarian at Mangalore University during my professional career. Every moment in my service tenure, I have breathed the principles imbibed from Professor M.R. Kumbar. On several occasions, we have experienced the father figure when he used to take the students to his house as if we were his children. Nostalgic are the memories of having sumptuous food and staying in his mansion overnight. On a personal note, he was very resourceful in helping me choose my dissertation topic and help complete it. In later stages, it helped me get registered for my Doctor of Philosophy. He brought me to Bangalore and placed me to work as a tutor under the able guidance of Professor Neil Megan, the Director of Documentation Research Training Center, Bangalore. As the head of the Department of Library Science, Dean, Syndicate Member, Academic Council, and Senate Member, he guided the department's activities and shared his valuable thoughts to Karnataka University. Failure is not the opposite of success. It is a part of success, was the lesson given by Professor M.R. Kumbar. As a professor, he trained many future library science teachers and prominent librarians. Many of his students have served as vice chancellors of state and central universities and as scientists in leading research institutes, example DRTC, INSDOC, NASDOC, ERNET, and as a director of national institutes in India. Professor Kumbar's career was truly inspiring. He taught us that nothing will work on its own. We make things work. In his career, he has not only managed library science department, but also steered directions for other departments in Karnataka University and several higher educational institutes in India. Professor Kumbar's simplicity, humility, and humane qualities reflect the symphony of his life, heralding his gracious presence and perfection in all aspects. He has left behind his footprints in the sand of time for people to ponder. His life is a message which says that if the plan does not work, change the plan and not the goal. Hence, to conclude, wishing a heavenly birthday to the illustrious legend, Professor M.R. Kumbhar. From Dr. M.K. Bhandi, retired University Librarian, Mangalore University, Mangalore, Mangalore.